Right now it's a very comfortable night out across West Michigan, and it doesn't look quite as hazy if we look out into the distance here in Grand Rapids. Of course, we still have some smoke and haze out there, but this is going to be the last of that. We have about an hour left of our air quality advisory and then no more for the first time in over a week. Temperatures very comfortable in the low 70s for many, with a few upper 60s out there like Coldwater, Big Rapids, Hartnell, and Muskegon, along with Benton Harbor. Really comfortable though, and we're going to end up just a hair warmer tonight than we woke up to this morning, which is the general trend. Looking at that smoke thinning out through tomorrow, especially into the afternoon. There may still be some spots along the lakeshore though in the afternoon that have some poor air quality, but as a whole, it will be a lot better than it's been for the last week. And especially as we go into Thursday, all of that smoke really retreats to the north, and we should be looking, smelling, and feeling much better from a smoke perspective, and hopefully that's the end of this, at least for a little while. High pressure has started to move away from us, and that's swinging our wind direction back around from the south, helping to add a little bit more moisture into the air, and that is helping to thin the smoke out, along with just the high pressure starting to move away a little bit. With that addition of moisture and reduction of smoke though comes increasing humidity. That's kind of the flip side of the coin here, is we're really going to start to see our dew point temperatures tick up along with our actual temperatures, and that means more warm and humid conditions on the way. Unfortunately, that does not come with a lot of rain chances. It's still going to be extremely dry over the next week. A weakness in the high pressure though may allow for some activity to pop between Flint and Lansing and kind of drift over towards the 131 corridor tomorrow afternoon. Most of us though, if not all, will be pretty dry, and then into Thursday it's going to be much the same. A few little sprinkles are going to try their hardest, but very minimal rain chances overall for us. We'll take anything we can get at this point though, but it still looks to be extremely dry on the whole for the next week. Temperatures tonight falling to around 62, a few clouds here and there, very little wind. Overall, a comfortable night for us, and then we'll get up into the middle to upper 80s for tomorrow. A little cooler along the lakeshore itself, like Holland will be near 86, but Zeeland close to 88. We could see middle to upper 80s for some spots as far east as the 131 corridor. Many though are probably going to be between 84 and 86 degrees. A couple spots could possibly be a little bit hotter, and this is kind of the start of our warming trend. No real issues with any heat index temperatures tomorrow, but especially Friday and Saturday, feeling like the low to mid 90s, and these kind of feels like temperatures will extend it to Sunday as well, as we get really the hottest stretch that we've had in a little while. So unfortunately for us, not a lot of rain chances headed our way. Friday is probably the best opportunity of an isolated to scattered shower. The weekend will be very hot and humid with those mid 90s feels like temperatures, and better rain chances early next week.